Hello students, now we are going to study today semi-conservative replication, experimental confirmation of semi-conservative replication of DNA. So this experiment is proved, or this replication process, semi-conservative replication, is proved by two scientists. It is experimentally proved by two scientists, Matthew Meselson and Franklin Stell. Okay, in the year 1958, they did this technique, or they did this experimental proof by using one technique called as EDGC technique. E for equilibrium, density, gradient, centrifugation technique. Okay, so what we are going to study today? We are going to study experimental confirmation of semi-conservative replication of DNA. This experimental confirmation is proved by two scientists. One is Matthew Meselson and Franklin Stell in the year 1958. They did this experiment, or they proved this experiment by using EDGC technique, that is equilibrium, density, gradient, centrifugation technique. Now what they did in their first step, they took one bacteria called as E. coli bacteria. They kept this bacteria in one solution called as ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl. What is their aim? Why they kept this E. coli bacteria in ammonium chloride? Because here they want to keep this bacteria in a solution which is containing heavy nitrogen. So they kept this bacteria in NH4Cl where N is 15. 15 means here nitrogen is a heavy nitrogen. Okay, then what they did, after few generation, they allow this bacteria to multiply, and after few generation they found that both the strands of DNA contains heavy nitrogen. It is only their aim. So what they did in their first step, they kept this E. coli bacteria in ammonium chloride solution where nitrogen is heavy, or heavy nitrogen solution they used here. And after few generation, what they did, they found that both the strands of E. coli, or both the strands of DNA of E. coli contains heavy nitrogen. So this was their first step. Now what they did in their second step, what they took, this bacteria is there, this DNA is there, DNA of E. coli bacteria, where both the strand is containing N15, means heavy nitrogen. This was their first step. In their second step, what they did, they kept this bacteria in another solution of ammonium chloride only. But what is the difference in these solution? Here the solution is N15, means they kept bacteria in heavy nitrogen solution. But in another case, in second step, they kept this bacteria in light nitrogen, means ammonium chloride they have used, but instead of N15 now they use N14. N14 means now they kept this bacteria in light nitrogen solution. Now after 20 minutes, why 20 minutes? Because the multiplication of DNA takes place in 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes they found that replication of DNA takes place. In replication of DNA, they found that, see here both the strands are with heavy nitrogen. After 20 minutes they found in daughter molecule, when they consider single daughter molecule of DNA, they found that one strand is containing N15, that is heavy nitrogen, and another strand is containing light nitrogen. So in this way they got hybrid, and they found that half or semi part, or 50% part is of parental side, which is containing heavy nitrogen, and half part is newly formed, which is containing light nitrogen. Okay, now what they did, this is their first generation where they got hybrid. Now again what they did, they allowed again this DNA to multiply, means after 20 minutes, a total 40 minutes, no, this 20 and this 20, means after 40 minutes they found that again this daughter molecule divide, and where they kept this DNA molecule or bacteria in again same solution, means ammonium chloride solution only, but here the ammonium chloride solution is containing again normal nitrogen. In first case they use heavy nitrogen solution, in second case they use light nitrogen solution, in third case again they used light nitrogen, that is the solution of ammonium chloride which is containing light nitrogen. Now after multiplication they found that again there is presence of two different types of DNA molecule. One DNA molecule is containing both the strands of DNA molecule is containing light nitrogen only, because this first strand is from parental side, this green color strand which is containing normal nitrogen, and the another newly formed DNA is again containing N14 because the medium is containing N14. So one DNA molecule is purely containing light nitrogen. And in another case they found that this DNA molecule N15 heavy nitrogen, this parental DNA is here red color, okay, and the another DNA molecule is a newly formed DNA molecule which is containing normal nitrogen. So here they found that two different types of DNA molecules are present. Now they proved this experiment with the help of test tube containing cesium chloride. What they did, they have kept this DNA molecule in a test tube. Okay, they kept from this DNA, this DNA is containing heavy nitrogen. So they kept this DNA in a test tube containing cesium chloride as a density gradient, and they kept this DNA strand in the test tube and they allow it to centrifuge. Centrifuge means they allow it to rotate at high speed. What result they got? They found that as this band or DNA is with normal nitrogen, with heavy nitrogen, they found that this DNA strand gets settled at the base. Okay. In second case what they did, they took this hybrid DNA and they kept in another test tube containing cesium chloride. Okay. So what they found here they found as this DNA strands are hybrid, they found that this band formation takes place at the center. Okay. In third test tube what they did, they took these two daughter molecules, these two daughter DNA they took, and they kept these two DNA molecules in a test tube containing cesium chloride only. They found that there is presence of two types of band. These DNA molecule, this DNA molecule where both the strand is containing light nitrogen, this band as it is light in weight, light nitrogen, this band occurs at the apex or at the upper level, and this band, this second DNA molecule which is hybrid, which is having both the type of DNA strand, 15 heavy nitrogen, 15N means heavy nitrogen, and 14N means light nitrogen. So when this DNA molecule is kept inside, it forms the band at the center because this is hybrid one. Okay, so in this way they prove that this DNA replication takes place in semi